Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will use the reports window to visualize the information of the last run that we did on the simulator in previous exercises. In general, the report window, as we will see, can be accessed here with View, Reports. And here we have the report window. Here the report window has several options to visualize the information of the project in the table format. We can select several combinations and check on different kind of tables. For example, we can we can visualize all the information as data ranges from one day to another, monthly productions, daily production controls, the information from flow elements, the dynamic attributes. We can also check the information of the well layer data, that will be the petrophysical data. We can check on the pattern information that we will see in more detail now, and we have some special reports that will give us some information that might be relevant. For example, the last control date, or for example, the maximum flow rate of each well, the initial flow rate, and other variables of interest. Here we have the injector efficiency as well, that is related to the efficiency of the secondary recovery of the project. We have also some unconventional reports in the sense that unconventional recovery. We may have some other reports that will show us the information, for example, from the layer completion of the wells, and some statistic as well, as the report of occurrences that will show the different. For example, we can check how many the different static attributes are repeated in a group of wells, for example. But for this exercise, we will focus on the information of the patterns. We'll go to Pattern, Summary, and here we can select which layer we want to check the information from. In this case, we will select all the layers. We want to show zeros, we will hide empty rows, and we want to see the total by columns. And here we have to select a date. This will show all the information related to the patterns in all the layers for that specific date. So here we will go to February 2023, where we should have enough information to have a complete report. And finally, we click on Generate Report. And here we will have the result. In this case, we will check something similar to what we saw in the previous exercise when we were checking these reports here, the flow element report. Here we will have a general layer report, where we will see the sum of all the different informations of the flow elements in that layer. For example, we can see that the total sum of all the elements in the layer number one, of the area, for example, is 14 acres. And here we have the total polar volume, the total water injected in thousands of barrels, the amount of normalized injected water in mobs or fraction, and here we have the total. This will be the total water injected divided by the amount of mobs that we have, so that's why it's fraction. Um, the polar volume injected will be the correct definition. The original in place, and the saturation, the mean saturation of the. Remember always that when we do the sum of these kinds of criteria of parameters, we always use the aggregation function. So in this case will be the mean of the saturation instead of the sum. But for example, for other parameters, let's say originally in place, we are going to use the sum. So we have the different data of the sum of all the sum of let's say the aggregation of all the flow elements in each different layer. So that will be everything for this tutorial. We have used this tool, the report window, to check on another view of the results of the simulator, that we ran a couple of exercises ago. So yeah, that will be everything for this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.